Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really special to share with you. My recent purchase of a South Bend 7-inch shaper. But this isn't just any shaper, it's Mr. Pete's, also known as Tubalcain's own personal machine. I'm incredibly fortunate to have had the opportunity to buy it, and yes, Mrs. Pete approved too. What incredible people they are, very generous and kind.
Welcome to Graderworks. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please like, subscribe, and comment.
Before we dig into the machine, I want to give a quick shout out to my good friend Bob. He helped out a ton during the process. Honestly, he did most of the heavy lifting while I got to talk with Mr. Pete. Thanks, Bob. Now this machine has quite the history. It started life in a school shop and eventually found its way into the hands of Tubalcain, the legendary YouTube shop teacher. He not only took great care of it, but also rebuilt it and used it to film his excellent series on running a South Bend shaper. If you own a shaper, or plan to, Mr. Pete's How to Run a South Bend Shaper is hand down the best video series out there on the subject. It's thorough, easy to follow, and was filmed using this very machine. I highly recommend it. The shaper is a machine tool used principally for producing a flat or plane surface which may be horizontal, a vertical, or an angular plane. In addition, the shaper is used to machine odd and irregular shapes which would be difficult to produce on any other machine. Let's talk a bit about the shaper itself. This is a column type crank-driven shaper using a single point cutting tool mounted to a rigid arm called the ram. The ram moves back and forth in a reciprocating motion to shape the material. Here's some quick specs. The stroke length 7 inches. Strokes per minute 42 to 195. It has a 4-speed option. Speed ranges 3 to 114 feet per minute. Tool head vertical travel 3 inches. Table travel 5 inches vertically, 9.5 inches horizontally. Table size about 5 inches by 6 inches. Power crossfeed 2 to 12 thousandths of an inch. Motor is either a 1/3 or 1/2 horsepower at 1,725 revolutions per minute. Lubrication. Automatic oiler for the bull gear, ram, rocker arm, and bearings. But the shafts, flat bearings, and feed screws need manual oiling. This machine is built like a tank and really showcases the beauty of old school American machining. So, why did I get this machine? Well, it wasn't to make money. As the saying goes, you can make anything on a shaper except money. I got it to expand my knowledge, and because I find these machines absolutely fascinating. There's something about the rhythm and sound of a shaper that I just love. It's memorizing to watch, and it connects you to a different era of machining. Even though I've never operated a shaper before, I'm looking forward to learning. Honestly, I'm a little nervous too. Replacement parts are probably just as hard to find as the tool holders were. If you have a shaper or are thinking about getting one, here are a few resources I recommend. The U.S. Tech Manual Shaper by the U.S. Government. How to Run a Shaper by South Bend. Shaper Machine, a great read for historical context. Vintage Machinery, a website that has a ton of historical publications on machines. K. Fisher's Metal Shaper Column, a great resource for shaper content. Now a quick note, I had a really tough time finding tool holders for this machine, but I finally found a source that imports them. If you're looking for one, just leave a comment or shoot me an email and I'll be happy to help and see if we can get you what you need. In future videos, I plan to use the shaper on small projects, starting with simple projects like squaring up blocks for other work and some T-nuts. As my old tool and die teacher used to say, the devil loves a coward, so I'm diving in cautiously but confidently. If there's a project you'd like to see done on the shaper, or if you're just curious about something, drop in the comments. I'd like to hear from you.
Thank you for watching Graberworks, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, and comment. Thanks again.